Today we're going to be doing fried rangoons and cream cheese wontons. It's pretty easy to put together, so let's do it. Throw an 8-ounce pack of cream cheese into a mixing bowl. Dice up some garlic. Dice up 2 green onions. Add in 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Add a dash of salt. It's optional if you want to add a dash of sugar as well. Stop here if you just want cream cheese wontons. If not, add in a pack of crab meat or imitation crab meat and chop it up finely. Stir everything in the mixing bowl until it's fully mixed. In a separate bowl, get an egg, beat it, and add a little bit of water to make an egg wash. Use just under a tablespoon of the cream cheese blend and put it in the middle of the wonton wrapper. Here's wrapping style 1. Egg wash 1/2 of the wonton and fold it diagonally, squeezing out any air from the pocket. Folding style 2. Egg wash just a dot in the middle of each straight line of the wontons. With both hands, pinch all 4 egg wash dots together, making a flower-looking wonton. Place it on the cutting board to flatten the bottom so it won't tip over. Folding style 3. Fold the wonton diagonally just like style 1. Place your finger in the middle against the filling and wrap the 2 wings together and egg wash them close. You can fold down the remaining flap or you can leave it pointing up. This style of folding is similar to tortellini pasta. Have a pan of oil heating on medium-high heat. A little trick my mom taught me was to stick a chopstick into the oil to see if it bubbles up. If it does, this means the oil is hot and at the right temperature to deep fry. Toss in the wontons, making sure you don't overcrowd the pan. If you do, it'll lower the overall temperature of the oil and not get a consistent fry. These fry pretty quick, so keep an eye on them and flip them if they're not fully submerged. Serve these up with some sweet chili sauce or sweet and sour. Cheesy wontons were always made in my family when my mom was making gyoza. She would use any leftover gyoza wrappers and fill them with cheese as little treats, almost like an Asian-style grilled cheese bite. Try using other cheeses, but my favorite is Velveeta. Prepare a separate bowl of an egg wash mixture of a beaten egg and a little bit of water. All you have to do is slice up some Velveeta cheese into tablespoon sizes. Place 1 tablespoon of the cheese into the wonton wrapper. Egg wash half of the wrapper and fold up diagonally, making triangles. Squeeze out any air that might be in the pocket. Place them in a pan full of oil and fry it. That's it. These are some nice gooey treats. can go good with some ketchup or a bowl of tomato soup, or try any kind of combination you like.